Hi guys, my name is Parag Paul and welcome back in my new video. Guys, in this particular video, we are going to understand the basic use of Excel. Okay, let me tell you, Excel is very important application for the very professional peoples. Okay, even though for the student nowadays also, because you can see there is a numerous amount of data available and you want to signify that data in easy way. So Excel can help you in that particular matter. So here in this particular video, I am going to help you the basic parameters like sum function, the my divide functions, the filter, the very basic things which is required for day-to-day life of a professional person in this particular video. Okay, so let's get to the screen and let's just understand the thing. Guys, this is a basic, you can see my screen. This is a basic scenario, like this is a workspace of the Excel, right? At the top, you can see there's a tab. This tab will help you to understand the use of functions, right? Like just if I just click on home, so you can see the cut, copy, paste, the wrap test, merging of the cell, conditional formatting, insert, delete, filter the data, all the basic functions you can see here. If you go to the insert, you can see the pivot tables, the recommendation charts, the slicers, the headers and footers, the different equations how you can create that also available here. If you just go to the page layout, like whatever data with you and you want to take a print of that data, but you need to make it in a proper format that you can prepare from here. Okay. Now you want to add some formula for the different financial, logical, the text, the date and time, the math, the triangulations, whatever it is, you can create your own or you can use the data over here. Okay. Now, if I just go to the data, if I just want to bring the data from one of the Excel, one of the website, one of the database, and want to signify that, want to split that, want to enhance that data, that can also be possible in this particular data tab by using the data tab. Now, in review tab, there is a you want to protect your Excel sheet. You want to put your password in that. You want to just check the translation of your Excel sheet. Okay, the treasure, everything can be made in the review tab. Even though you want to use a digital pens, that are also used by using this particular hide ink command. Okay, when you have that extension or the touch laptop with you, you can use this very easily. Okay, now if you just go to the view here, you can just manage your all the parameters. Okay, manage your all the Excel sheets by like viewing, by just taking a consent of the single system and allowing the other people to go into it. So these are also functions can be utilized in Excel. Now in today's video, we are going to understand how to use a very simple parameter, very basic parameter. Okay, how we can do that one. So the take example one, I want to use a sum function. Okay, so how to use this sum function, guys? So let's take an example. I am writing serial number here. Okay, the student. Okay, then their total fees. Okay, their paid fees. Okay, okay, and the pending fees. So how we can do that one? So here you can see, guys, I need to create 100 number of student name. Okay, I have 100 student of name. How can I add the serial function to them? Just take an example. I have A, B, C, F. Just take an example. I'm just writing the student name in this particular way. Just take an example. Okay. Now I want to just provide a serial name to them. What is the easiest way? Just type one here. Okay, and you can just drag. But you can see it come with a single name. But if you give it a series like 1, 2 and select that both and click on this particular green tab over here and just double click on that, you can see it's numbered properly. That is the easiest way to do in Excel. So just select everything and you want to bring it in the middle one. So just select everything and just click here. Okay, center. So every data will be put in a center one. Even though same for a student, you want to put student name in a single line, just make a center one. Okay, you want to bring in the left side, right side, you can do by using this. Like just select all these things, make it in the left, make it in a right. But I want to make it in a center one. Now total fees. Just take an example. The total fees is 5,000 rupees. Okay. So I am just what I'm going to do is just select this tab, put like select or just do right click, copy, select all tab, right click and paste as a value. Or you can do it by using your keyboard also. Like just select this, press Ctrl C, select all tab and paste Ctrl V. And when you come here, this option will come and just select as a value. Okay, this is also another way to do this. Okay, so Ctrl C help you to copy the data, Ctrl V help you to paste the data. But after that, you can also select what by what means that you need to paste the data over in the cell. Now just consider that these are the student paid, someone paid 3,000 rupees, someone paid 1,000 rupees, someone paid 2,500 rupees, someone pays 5,000 rupees, someone pays. So I'm taking the amount over here. Okay, just take a random example. Okay, 1763. Okay, 2,000 rupees, someone paid 3,000 rupees. Now I want to identify what is my pending fee. Okay, so here we are using the sum function, but in the use by using the sum function, I am helping you to understand how to use a minus function also, okay, and sum function also, right? So what we are going to do is just click equals to. Whenever you want to do a mathematical calculation in Excel, you can put equals to, or you can put Excel plus function also here, right? So just press equals to, okay, and then this total fees 5,000 rupees, and how much he paid 3,000. You mean to say you need to identify what is the pending fee. So 5,000 minus 3,000, okay, it gives you 2,000. So this is your divide function. This is the easiest way to do work in Excel. So what we did, we just subtract the total fees, paid fees from the total fees. So we got 2,000 is a pending fee. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm not going to again do all this parameter. I'll just click here and I'm going to click on this green point and just double click on this green point. You can see all calculations is came down. Now this is what the subtractions we have learned. Now I want to summarize what is the total fees of these all 12 students, how much total fees paid by them, and what is the pending amount. So how we can identify by using a sum function. So just come here, press equals to, just write SUM. So this is a sum function. Just double click on that and just select the area to which area you want to just summarize. Okay, so I am just selecting all the area like this and close this parenthesis or close this bracket and just press enter. So see, 60,000 is the total sum of all these 12 students. Now what I'll do, I'll just select your mouse, click on this green button and just shift here. You can see 32,150 rupees is already paid by 12 students. And what is the pending amount? My pending amount is 27,850. So this is the easiest way to understand Excel, right? So in today's video, I have told you, okay, how to use a sum function and how to subtract the data, right, in the easiest way. Now let's again talk about some more thing in upcoming videos which will help you to grow in Excel from start to end. So thank you so much guys. Have a nice day. Bye bye.